Beautiful by Christina Aguilera. Hope you like it. Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way. Words can't bring me down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down today. To all your friends, you're delirious, so consumed in all your doom, trying hard to fill the emptiness with a piece gone, left the puzzle undone. But you are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. Oh no. You are beautiful in every single way. Words can't bring you down. Oh no. So don't you bring us down today. No matter what we do, no matter what we say, we're the song inside the tune, full of beautiful mistakes. And everywhere we go, the sun will always shine. But the tomorrow we might wake on the other side. We are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring us down. No, no. We are beautiful in every single way. Words can't bring us down. Oh no. Don't you bring me down today. Ooh, yeah. Don't you bring me down today.